Welcome to a world of unparalleled luxury and sophistication, where modern design meets riverside excellence. Nestled on nearly 3,000 square metres of prime Yarra river frontage, this contemporary family estate is a true masterpiece crafted by renowned architects Powell and Glenn, luxury builder Visioneer, and Robert Boyle Landscapes. Drawing inspiration from mid-century architecture, this estate boasts a refined design that seamlessly integrates with its breathtaking surroundings. From the discreet timber-slatted entrance to the expansive concrete, oak, and black steel elements, every detail exudes elegance and tranquility. Step inside and you'll be greeted by vast living spaces bathed in natural light, thanks to the floor-to-ceiling glass windows that offer panoramic views of the lush tropical garden and majestic Yarra River. The heart of the home is the state-of-the-art chef's kitchen, featuring stainless steel workbenches, dolomite granite countertops, and top-of-the-line Millet appliances. Perfect for entertaining, the kitchen opens up to a large barbecue terrace and a pergola-covered dining area overlooking the pool and tennis court. Outside, a self-cleaning solar gas heated pool and spa await. Surrounded by lush landscaping and rustic alfresco terraces, the pool house offers a haven for relaxation, complete with a full kitchen, fireplace, and stylish bathroom. Retreat to the opulent main bedroom, where luxury meets comfort. Enjoy glorious river and garden views from your deluxe ensuite and dressing room, creating a private oasis of tranquility. From its exquisite design to its array of luxurious amenities, this contemporary family estate sets a new standard for riverside living. Welcome home to a life of luxury on the banks of the Yarra River.